Hello everyone! Welcome to a new video. In today's video, we're going to build a simple component using Vue.js. The design is minimal and our main goal is to understand how to use icons in a Vue.js application. We'll be using Hugeicons for this, and we also have a Figma design as a reference to guide us throughout the process. Alright, now Jubir will walk you through everything step by step. Let's get started.
Over here, I have a basic Vue.js application. I already installed TypeScript for styling. So we'll start by adding some structure. So this will be our main container. And just below that, we'll add our menu item container. And under this, each menu item will be a div. So we'll add our icon over here. So for the icons, let's go to Hugeicon. I'll go to package. And since we are using Vue.js, I'll choose the Vue.js package. From here, if I scroll down, I'll see installation. Yeah, this is the command. So let's copy this command and run this. Just install this package. Yeah, the installation is done. I'll go back to the documentation to check how to use the icons in a Vue application. So if I scroll down, I'll see usage. We need to import the Hugeicons component and each of the icon we want to use. So let's just copy this and use it in our code base. Let's import this. So just to check if it's working or not, I'll copy this icon from here. See if it shows up or not. If I go to our preview, yeah, the icon is showing, so it's working. I'll quickly add the height and width. So let's take the height and width from the Figma design. Let's copy the background color as well. And we'll do flex to center the icon. Yeah, it's looking good. Now let's update the icon. So we'll copy the icon name from here. This is the icon name and we'll search on Hugeicons. Yeah, this is the one. And we are using Vue.js, so we'll choose the Vue. And we'll just copy this one. We need to import this icon as well. Yeah, the icon has been updated. Now let's increase the icon size. So the icon size is 115. So let's add that and also add some border radius. Yeah, it's looking good. Now we'll just copy paste this same component 2 more times. Let's make the parent component flexbox. Yeah, this is how it's looking right now. Now we'll just update the icons and the color one by one. So let's copy the icon name from here. So this is the icon. We'll go to Hugeicons and search for this. Yeah, this is the one. We'll just copy the name of the icon and paste it over here and update the name from here. This is a much easier way to update the icons. Let's see if it's working or not. Yeah, it's working. Perfect. Now let's update the color as well. Yeah, now let's update the third icon. Just copy the name of the icon and search on Hugeicons. Just copy the name and import from here and update the name in this component. Let's copy the color as well. This is the color. Let's quickly update the color. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, it's looking perfect. Now we just need to add the text and do some alignment. I just added the text, so let's see how it's looking. Yeah, it's looking good. Now we just need to do some alignment and spacing. Yeah, the alignment is done. I just made the whole parent component flexbox and the height is the whole screen size and the width is full. So let's see how it's looking. Yeah, it's looking perfect. It's looking exactly like the design. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys.
Thanks a lot for watching. Subscribe if you enjoyed it and stay tuned for more tutorials. See you in the next one. Bye.